Afternoon, Thursday. Today I'm going to show you how to desolder, removing the component from the motherboard or PCBs. I have two PCBs here, this one and this one. We have solder wire, cleaner, heat gun. So let's power on this heat gun. Let's set the temperature to 480. This one at this point. Let's wait for it to get heat. From there, starting with this PCB, I'm going to show you how to remove this LED from here and this capacitor, just these two components. Let's test our heat gun if it is hot. Yes, it is hot. So how to remove this? We remove at this 2 point until it remove itself. Too simple. And this capacitor attached at this 2 point. This is how to remove from this first motherboard. In this second motherboard, I just need to remove this small component. We have the MOSFETs here, these MOSFETs, and I want to show you how to remove among of this component. So let's power on this hot air gun and let's set at a temperature of 4.5 at least. Yeah, let's set it at 5. It will be good. And the air, let's set at 3. So let's wait for this hot air gun to get heat. Before removing this component, we have to apply a little amount of flux in order to prevent damaging the PCB tracks. So we can remove this one and apply this flux here. Let's reduce this hair. Yeah, you just need to regulate this air so as you can get proper way on how to remove this component. You can see I've just removed the first MOSFET, this one. Yeah, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.